In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a heart icon in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you are working directly on the canvas where you want the heart to live. We'll build the shape from simple geometry, which keeps things fast, editable, and precise. Select the rectangle tool. You can press the R key as a shortcut. Click once on the canvas and set the width to 50 pixels and the height to 30 pixels. If you prefer, you can also drag out a rectangle and then type those exact values into the width and height fields in the design panel to keep everything accurate. With the rectangle selected, look in the design panel for the corner radius controls. Switch to individual corner so you can edit each corner separately. Set only the top right and bottom right corners to 15 pixels, leaving the left side corners at 0. This gives you a rounded edge on one side and a straight edge on the other, which will form one half of the heart's top. Duplicate this rectangle. You can use a standard duplicate command or copy and paste. With the duplicate selected, rotate it 90 degrees so it stands vertically. Holding Shift while rotating helps snap to exact angles. Now select both rectangles and position them so they meet cleanly in a corner. Creating an L-shaped arrangement. Align them by setting align left and align bottom, which ensures their left edges and bottom edges line up perfectly. You should see a smooth rounded corner where they overlap. Hinting at the heart's top lobes. Go to the top toolbar and click the Boolean groups icon. Choose Union Selection. This merges the two rectangles into a single combined shape while preserving their outlines as one form, which makes it easier to manipulate as a unit. With that new shape selected, rotate it 45 degrees. As you turn it, you'll see the form resolve into a classic heart silhouette standing upright. Again, using Shift helps lock that rotation precisely at 45 degrees. Right. Click the union and select Flatten. Flattening converts the union into a single vector path, which is helpful if you plan to edit anchor points, export cleanly, or avoid accidental Boolean edits later. Finally, change the fill to a vibrant red in the fill section of the design panel. If you want an outlined version, add a stroke and choose a weight and color that complement your design. That's it. Thanks for watching.